In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Cloudflare Turnstile. To get started, open your Cloudflare dashboard and make sure you're in the correct account or website area where you want to configure the protection. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Application Security. This is where Cloudflare groups together several tools related to protecting your site, and Turnstile is one of the options available there. After that, find and select Turnstile. This will take you to the section where you can create and manage Turnstile widgets for your website. If you're not familiar with it, Turnstile is Cloudflare's verification tool designed to help protect forms, logins, or other interactive parts of your site without relying on a traditional Captcha experience. When you're in the Turnstile area, you'll be given two setup options. You can choose Add Widget manually, or you can choose Setup with Spin. The option you pick depends on how you want to install it and what kind of workflow is best for your website. If you prefer more direct control, the manual widget option may be the better fit. If you want a guided setup experience, the Spin option can help simplify the process. Once you've chosen the method you want to use, the next step is to select or enter your domain. Make sure the domain is correct, since this connects the Turnstile widget to the website where it will be used. After entering or selecting the domain, click Create. From there, simply follow the setup process for the method you selected. Cloudflare will guide you through the remaining steps, and the exact screens may vary slightly depending on whether you chose the manual setup or the guided option. The important thing here is to continue through the prompts carefully and complete the setup for your domain. And that's really all there is to it. Once the process is finished, your Cloudflare Turnstile setup should be ready to use. As a quick tip, take a moment afterward to review the configuration in your dashboard so you can confirm everything is connected properly and assigned to the correct domain. That's the full setup process from start to finish. Thanks for watching, and I hope this made it easy to understand how to set up Cloudflare Turnstile.